In this video, you'll learn how to invite someone to your Notion page. This process will allow you to collaborate effectively with others on your Notion workspace, enhancing productivity and communication. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you are not already signed in, you will be prompted to enter your email and password. After logging in, locate the specific page you wish to share with someone. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to invite users to this page, as this is a prerequisite for sending invitations. Next, look for the Share button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will open a sharing menu. In this menu, you will see an option to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type the email address carefully to ensure accuracy, as this is how the invitation will be sent. After entering the email address, you will need to set the permission level for the invitee. Notion allows you to choose from different levels of access, such as can edit, can comment, or can view. Selecting the appropriate permission level is crucial, as it determines what the invitee can do on the page. Once you have made your selections, proceed by clicking the Invite button to send the invitation. Following this action, the invitee will receive an email containing the invitation to join your Notion page. It is important to wait for them to accept the invitation. Once they have accepted, you may want to verify their access level to ensure it aligns with what you intended. If adjustments are necessary, you can return to the sharing menu to modify their permissions accordingly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.